So hello everyone, we are team CyberMongers. We have chosen the problem statement KVH-013 where we have to build tool for monitoring ground personals. So as you can see on the screen, on the prototyping we have made two applications. One is admin application which will be used for all the surveillance stuff, and another one is an Android application which will be there on the personal's mobile and will be actively used for tracking the personals on real time. So now come into the tech stack. We have used Next.js for building this web application, and for the Android application we have used the Flutter. So and on the backend we have used Django and WebSockets. Now let's come into the tracking part, like how we are tracking and sending the data and like real-time tracking the things. So as you can see, we have used WebSockets. So WebSocket is a communication protocol, just like HTTP, HTTPS, and it actually provides us a full duplex communication channel over a single TCP connection. So what it does is it actually gives us like both end connection. Like suppose the server has some information or server has some data, the server can send it to the user, and if the user has some data, user can send it to the server. Like the communication actually don't breaks as like HTTP get request like thing. So it doesn't break. It actually always alive. So if one party has some new data, he can send it. So this is what we are using over here. So actually the personal mobile phone actively tracking the personal's location and send it to the server, and from the server we are actually getting this locations, and we are showing over here. So this is our application. So as you can see over here, if we give you some overview of the application, we have a full map of the world. So here we can like zoom out, zoom in, and we can see other locations also. So here on this panel we have two things, like one is active mission and another one is active personal. So on the active mission you can see the missions that are active currently, and on the active personal is the number of personals that are active currently on the server. So I'll be demonstrating you on the next part about how this thing actually works, like the active personal, the warning and all. So let me show you about the missions. Like if you click on this circle, the mission area, this is actually the mission area. So if you click on this, you can actually see the description of the mission, and the address, the latitude, longitude, city, country and all. So everything about the mission. And suppose if one of the personal joins, you can actually see it over here, like this. So see here you can see the personal out of the mission area. So he is actually out of the mission, and here you can see the person's name and all. So yeah, this is the overview of the application. Now we'll see how the applications will work in real time. So now I'm opening the personal's mobile application. So after opening the application, we have to select the start transmission, and after clicking it, our current location will be there on the admin app. And now I'm sharing another app which is there out of the mission zone. So here you can see we have warning on the admin panel as well as on the app, so that the user is outside of the area. And if we hover over the personal, we can see his name, and we can also see the active personals over here, and the missions that are active currently. And we can also like refresh the page. If we refresh the page, we have those personals there. So like as they are active, so they are over there. So until they are inactive on their app, this indication will not be removed. So yeah, this was a small prototype made by us. Thank you.